This tutorial will help you navigate PubMed and download articles through the Alaska Medical Library. To begin searching PubMed, you'll go to the Alaska Medical Library website and scroll down to the Find Information box and click on PubMed under the Articles section. Once you've opened PubMed, your search box will look like this. You can enter in your terms here or combine terms together using the advanced search option. When you do a search in PubMed, all of the results are listed in the middle, and the filters are on the left-hand side of the page. This particular result, it looks like there's 93,000 options that we can look through. And when you're scrolling down, you can limit by year of publication, by clicking on the radio button. You can also look for different, if you're just looking for full text articles versus the citation, you can click on those. You can also look by specific types of evidence, such as randomized controlled trials or systematic reviews. Clicking in that box will limit just to those particular types of evidences. The additional filters option allows you to look at articles in different languages, as well as humans versus animals, gender, ages, and once you set those parameters, the results will narrow down further. As you are searching, you can select items to look at and save for later. And you can do that by creating a login account with the National Library of Medicine. You'll be able to email articles to yourself, save them, and send different send options. If you are wondering how to download an article, you can click on the title of the article, where it will take you to a page and it gives you more information about the article and where it is published, who are the authors, an abstract, as well as full text links over here on the right-hand side. Any of these will take you to the full text of the article. And from there, you can download the article as the PDF and save it onto your computer. So that is how you use PubMed to search for different levels of evidence as an Alaska Medical Library client. If you have any questions, or if you just want to email us and request an article, please email us at uaa.aml@alaska.edu. Thank you.